Do the recording. So, good afternoon, everyone. My name is Amit Kumar Singh, and welcome to the class on matrices and determinants. And in today's class, we'll discuss how to find the adjoint and inverse of a matrix. So, guys, in the last class, we have discussed basically the concept of cofactor and the minor of a matrix. So, I believe you are clear with the concept of cofactor and how to determine the minor of a. It's very easy to work on. So basically we have done 3 by 3 metrics in previous class. Let me start with 2 by 2 metrics to make you understand cofactor and how to work on cofactor and minor. So basically if you have like 2 by 2 metrics like a11 a12 then a21 and a22, suppose this is a matrix. Okay, suppose this is the matrix. Now what I want the minor of each element. So minor of each element. So what is the minor of A11? So if you exclude that row and that column, so what is the minor? So the minor of, so what is the minor? So the minor of A11 is A22. I hope you understand this. Okay. Now what is the minor of A12? What is the minor of A12? So the minor of A12 is A21. So the minor of A12, exclude that row and column. What element left? So the minor of A12 is A21. Okay. Then what is the minor of A21? So the minor of A21, exclude that row and column. So the minor of A21 is A12. Okay. And then what is the minor of A22? So the minor of A22 is how much? The minor of A22 is A11. Anyone have any doubt? So what is basically a minor? So basically, so you just have to exclude that row and column. So what element left? What set of element left? That is basically is the minor. Clear, everyone? So first I'm doing a 2 by 2 matrix to make you understand the concept of minor. Clear, everyone? Everyone understood this? Everyone understood this, right? So you have understood the concept of, so you have understood the concept of minor. So once you understood the concept of minor, so once you have understood the concept of minor, so what is the formula of cofactor? So cofactor is nothing but, when I say cofactor, so cofactor of A11 is nothing but it is minus 1 to the power 1 plus 1 into minor of A11. So this is basically the formula of cofactor. Okay, so the formula of cofactor. So if I ask you what is the formula of cofactor of AMN, so M is the row and N is the column. So the formula for that is minus 1 to the power M plus N into minor of AMN. Okay, this is the formula. I hope this is clear with everyone. So, so my cofactor. Forget complicated stuff. What is cofactor? Cofactor is nothing but on minor you put the sign. So if you're putting the sign on minor, that is cofactor. So what is the cofactor? So what is the cofactor? So what is the cofactor? So cofactor A11. I hope everyone understand by this time. A11 is plus. Everyone understand? A12 is minus because 1 plus 2 is odd. Already I have discussed this thing. A21 is minus, A22 is plus. So what is cofactor? So the cofactor of A11 is A22. The cofactor of A12 is minus of A21. The cofactor of A21 is minus of A12 and the cofactor of A22 is A11. Very simple. We are just putting the we are just putting the sign over the each element, that is cofactor. Over the minor, if you put the sign, what you get is the cofactor. Clear, everyone? Everyone understood this? Everyone has understood this? So basically, if I ask you, so basically, I'm doing recording also for the class today. In case if you want, I'll send you the link for the class. You can watch it. Those people who find it difficult, because now day by day the concept will become more and more complicated. So for you people, I'm doing recording. So once you get the cofactor, so basically when I see this matrix called, if I see this matrix, if there's a matrix called A11, this is a matrix A11, A12, then A21, and then A22. If this is a matrix, so cofactor of this matrix, when I say this cofactor of this matrix, so the cofactor of A11 is A22. The cofactor of A12 is minus of A21, is minus of A21. Then cofactor of A21 is minus of A12, and the cofactor is A11. That's it. Remember this. I hope you have understood this. So each element I have written their cofactor. So for each element I have written their cofactor. Hmm. So, so this is the way how we determine the cofactor. So this is the way how we determine cofactor. So once you determine the cofactor, so so the matrix, what I can get. So the matrix what I can get. So the matrix what I can get by doing the transpose. So the matrix what I can get by doing the transpose of cofactor of A is the matrix. So the matrix what I'll get if I do the transpose of cofactor of A is called the adjoint of A. Is called the adjoint of A. That is called adjoint of A. So once you get the, like, for matrix A, this is the matrix A, A11, A12, A21, A22. The cofactor of, guys, you can hear me, right? This little bit internet problem I'm facing. I hope you can. I'm audible. You can hear me. So the cofactor. So the cofactor of this. So the cofactor of this. So the cofactor of this is A22, A minus 21, then A minus 12, and A11. And if you do the transpose of the cofactor, normally transpose is written with this sign. So if you do the transpose of this cofactor, if you do the transpose of this cofactor, transpose means row will become column, column will become row. So you will get A22, A minus A21, then minus A12, and A11. This is called adjoint of the matrix. This is called adjoint of A. This is called adjoint of the A. This is called the adjoint of A. So these terms are very important. For your exam, 100% the question will come on adjoint. 100% you will get a question. They'll give you 2 by 2 matrix, or they'll give you 3 by 3 matrix. So, but 100% you will get a question on adjoint of matrix. Okay, so remember this. Now, so you can remember this. So if there's a matrix, suppose if there's a matrix called A, B, C, D. So if there's a matrix called, suppose if there's a matrix called A, B, C, D. So the adjoint of A, so the adjoint of A, can by heart this. So the adjoint of A is D minus B minus C or A. You can by heart this. So this is what I got here. Clear, everyone? So this is the formula of adjoint of A. Uh, So if I ask you, suppose there's a matrix called uh, 1, 3, minus 1. So what is the adjoint of A? Adjoint of A is minus 1, 1, minus 3, minus 2. This is the adjoint of A. I hope you are understanding, everyone. So this is the adjoint of A. In 2 by 2 matrix, it is easy to do. So in 2 by 2 matrix, it is very easy to do. Okay. So now this is the adjoint of A. So directly I told you that formula. So for this matrix having the two element A, B, C, D, you can remember the formula of adjoint. Directly you can do that. So now remember the formula of inverse of matrix. This is called inverse. For exam point of view, this is very important. Inverse, 100% questions will come either on inverse. Either they'll give you 2 by 2 matrix and they may ask you inverse, or they may give you 3 by 3 matrix, they'll ask you adjoint. So the inverse of matrix, formula of inverse of matrix is adjoint of the matrix divided by the determinant of the matrix. Basically, the formula of inverse of the matrix is adjoint of the matrix divided by the determinant of the matrix. So determinant of this matrix, how will you find for A, B, C, D? How to find determinant of the matrix? So for A, B, C, D, what is the formula of determinant of matrix? AD minus BC. And everyone knows, I hope you remember still the formula of determinant of the matrix. So if I ask you what is the inverse of A, what is the inverse of A? If I ask you what is the inverse of A, so the inverse of A is basically 1 by AD minus BC into this is D minus B minus C. This is the formula for the inverse of matrix. This adjoint divided by the determinant. So for this matrix, what is the inverse? So the inverse of A. So the inverse of A, what is the determinant? Minus 1 minus 6. So minus 7. So 1 by minus 7. 1 by minus 7. This is the determinant. This you can write. The adjoint is minus 1, minus 3, minus 2 and 1. So I can write the inverse of this matrix is equal to 1 by 7, 3 by 7, 2 by 7 and minus 1 by 7. This is the inverse of this matrix. So adjoint divided by the determinant is the inverse of the matrix. For your BCom, BBA, BCA, for everyone, the concept of adjoint and inverse are very important. Anyone having any doubt? Okay, I hope you are understanding this. Hmm. So tell me, find the adjoint of find the adjoint of 2, 1, 4 and -1. Tell me this. Solve this question. So the adjoint of this matrix. So the adjoint of this matrix is -1, -1, -4 and 2. Here, anyone have any doubt? Anyone want to ask anything? That is a determinant. I hope you know how to find the determinant. So इसका determinant, what is the formula? What is the determinant of this? Determinant of this formula is AD minus BC. So 1 into -1 -1 -3 into 2 6. So you get -7. That is a formula. That is a formula of inverse of the matrix. This is the formula for the inverse of the matrix. Adjoint divide by the determinant of the matrix. So this is the inverse. So this is the inverse. The inverse formula is adjoint divide by the determinant of the matrix. So once you find the adjoint, divide the adjoint by the determinant of the matrix. Pawan, you understood? Okay, so we did 2 by 2 matrix. Okay, we did 2 by 2 matrix. Let's do 3 by 3 matrix. Everyone do this. Find the adjoint of 1, 2, -2, then -1, 0, then 2, 5, 1. Everyone do this question. Can you do 3 by 3 matrix? Same way, find each element cofactor. Find the cofactor of each element, then do the transpose of that. That will give you the adjoint of the matrix. So what is the cofactor of A11? So what is the cofactor? What is the cofactor of A11? So the cofactor of A11 is -1 to the power 1 plus 1. So that is 3501. So this is 3. So what is the cofactor? What is the cofactor? What is the cofactor of A12? That is -1 to the power 1 plus 2. So A12 cofactor 2 minus 2, then 2 minus 2, then 5 1. This is minus sign. This is 2 ones are 2. minus, so minus minus plus, so you'll get minus 2. So individually find the cofactor. Everyone first write down the question, then I'll do for each problem. Everyone first write down the problem. So find the cofactor of A13, that is minus 1 to the power 1 plus 3. So minor, what is the minor? 2 minus 2, 3, 0. Okay, that is 0. This is plus 6. Find the cofactor of A21. So the cofactor of A21 is minus 1, 2 plus 1. Cofactor of A21, cofactor of A21, that is minus 1, 2, minus 1, 2, 0, 1. So this is minus sign. Here is the minus sign, minus 1, then 0, you get plus 1. Any doubt, anyone? Anyone doubt? So then find the cofactor of A22. So the cofactor of A22 is minus 1, 2 plus 2, minus 1 or 2 plus 2, then A22. So ignore that row and column. If you ignore that row and column, minus 1, minus 2, and then 2 comma 5. So A22, you'll get 5, 5 plus 4, you'll get 9. No, no, one, some mistake is here. So A22, ignore that row and column. So ignore that row and column. So A minus 2, then 2 comma 1. So 2 comma 1. So this is then 1 plus 4 means 5. You'll get 5. Clear? Anyone have any doubt? Anyone, any doubt? Anyone, any doubt? Any doubt, anyone? Find the cofactor of each element. Anyone doubt anything you want to ask? So are you understanding everything? Dikshit, Deepa, Manish, Nirupam, Pawan, Pooja, Safa, Sujan, Sukhdev, Supreet, Viresh. Any doubt, anyone? Ankit, Abdul Rahman, Aman, Arpita, Charan, Dikshit. Any doubt? So once we just find it, then cofactor of A23. What is the cofactor of A23? So that is minus 1 to the power 2 plus 3. So A23 cofactor, so means 1 minus 2 minus 1 0. 1 1 minus 2, 1 minus 2 minus 1 0. So this is minus sign will come. This is 0. This is plus 2. So 0, this is plus 2. So minus 2. So you'll get as 2. Then find the cofactor of A31. So the sign is plus, minus 1 to the power 3 plus 1. So A31 cofactor, that is -1 -1 3 2 5 -1 3 2 5 -1 -1 3 2 5. So you do that. This is -5 -6 -11. So we'll get -11. Then cofactor of A32, that is -1 3 plus 2. So A32 cofactor. So A32 cofactor A32 1 2 2 5 1 2 2 5 1 2 2 5. This is minus sign will come. This is 5 -4. This -1. So then find the cofactor of A33. Then find the cofactor of A33. Plus sign will come. Plus sign will come. So you will get 1 2 1 2 -1 3. 1 2 -1 3. Plus sign will come. This is 3 plus 2. So I find the cofactor of each element. Okay, so I found the cofactor of each element. So your matrix was this. This was your matrix. A minus 1 minus 1, 2, then 2, 3, 5, then -2, 0, 1. This was the matrix. Okay, so the cofactor of A, this cofactor of A, what is the cofactor of A I got? So cofactor of A, you write it down. So the cofactor of A, 3 minus 12, 3 minus 12, 6, 3 minus 12, 6. Then each element cofactor, and then 1, 1, 5, 1, 5, 2, then 1, 5, 2, and then -11 minus 1, 5, -11 minus 1, 5. This is the cofactor of A. So you got A, find the cofactor of A. Clear everyone? So once you get the cofactor of A, if you do the transpose of this cofactor, 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 that is 3 minus 12, 6, then 1, 5, 2, and then -11 minus 1, 5. This is the adjoint of A. This is the adjoint of This is the adjoint of A. So whatever the cofactor you get, if you do the transpose of the cofactor, you will get the adjoint of the A. Clear everyone? So this was A, this is the adjoint of A. You do the transpose of cofactor, you get the adjoint. So, okay, very good, Aman. So you do the transpose of the cofactor, you get the adjoint. So if you divide the adjoint with the determinant, if you divide the adjoint by the determinant, you will get the inverse of the matrix. Okay, so let's find the inverse of A. So let's find the inverse of A. Very good, Pawan. Let's find the inverse of A. So how I'll find the inverse of A? How will I find the inverse of A? I'll divide the adjoint of A by the determinant of A. So the we know how to find the determinant. we know how to find the determinant. So this is the A, this is the A, 1 minus 1, then 2, then 2, 5, and then minus 2, 0, 1. I can find the determinant of A. So the determinant of A is basically 1, then 3, 0, 5, 1, then plus 1, then 2 minus 2, 5, 1, then plus 2, plus 2, 2 minus 2, 3, 0. So I know how to find the determinant of the matrix. Already we have studied that. So determinant of the matrix, I'll do that. This is 3, this is 3 plus 1, and this is 2 plus 10, this is plus 2, this is plus 6. So the determinant of the matrix is 3 plus 12, 3 plus 12 plus 12. So 24 plus 3, 27. The determinant of the A you got as 27. So the determinant of A you got as 27. Adjoint of the matrix already you got. So I'll divide the adjoint of the A with the determinant of the A, and that will give me, I'll divide the adjoint of A with the determinant of A, that will give me the inverse of A. Okay, so what is the adjoint of A? So the adjoint of A I got is 3, 1 minus 11, 3, 1 minus 11, minus 12, 5 minus 1, 6, 2, 5. I got the adjoint of A. So what is the inverse of A? So the inverse of A is 1 by 27 of adjoint. So, so adjoint divided by determinant is the inverse. So this is 3, 1 minus 1 minus 12, 5 minus 1, then 6, 2, 5. What is the inverse of A? So the inverse of A is basically 3 divided by 27 means 1 by 9, 1 by 27 minus 11 by 27, then minus 12 by 27, and then 5 by 27, then minus 1 by 27, and then 6 by 27 means 2 by 9, then 2 by 27, and then 5 by 27. This is the inverse of the matrix. Clear, everyone? Anyone have any doubt? Hmm. Very good, Ankit. Do this question. Tell me the answer for this. Very good, Nirupam. Very good, Nirupam. Okay, guys, answer your attendance call. Today is 13. Answer your attendance call, Siddesh, Aman Kumar, Siddesh, Aman Kumar, Mohammed Abdul Rahman. Abdul Rahman is present. Sujan, 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 is he there? Sujan is there. So after Sujan, Nirupam is there. Ankit is there. Supreet, are you there? Supreet, are you there? Pawan is there. Dikshit, Supreet is there. Okay. So Sujan is there. Then Nirupam is there. Ankit is there. Then Supreet is there. Pawan is there. And then Dikshit, are you there? Dikshit, Dikshit is there. Charan is there. Dikshit is there. Charan is there. So Dikshit, Charan, Deepa, Deepa is there. No? Deepa, Manish is there. Manish is there. Arpita is there. Deepa, Chandan, Deepa, Chandan, Viresh. So Deepa is there. Chandan, Charan is there. Chandan, Deepa, Chandan, Viresh, Manjula, Deepa, Chandan, Viresh is there. Manjula, Safa, Praveen, Sukhdev, Safa is there. Deepa is there. Deepa, Safa, Deepa is there. Then Chandan, Chandan, Manjula, Chandan, Manjula, Praveen. Chandan, no, not there. Praveen. Then Sukhdev, after Sukhdev, Sukhdev, Mohan, James, Pooja. Pooja is there. Sukhdev, Mohan, James, Pooja. Pooja is there. James, Sukhdev is there. Sukhdev is there. Okay. James is not there, right? James, Mohan, Praveen, Manjula, Chandan. Fine. Siddesh is absent. After Siddesh, Chandan is absent. Manjula is absent. Praveen is absent. And Mohan is absent. The answer for this problem, adjoint of A, what you will get is 2 minus 2, then minus 2, and then minus 5, minus 7, 11, and then 2, 10, and minus 14. This is the adjoint of A. Very good, Pooja. Pooja, you are from which college? Which college you have done your PU? Pooja is good with mathematics. National College. National College Baswantagudi. Very good, Pooja. Hmm. I hope this is near. National College is near to BMS Women's College. I used to go to BMS Engineering College. I used to teach there. I think I heard this name. It's very famous college. Mhm. One day by mistake I went to BMS Women's College instead of going to BMS Engineering College. So it's very confusing. Lot of park are there in that road. One park and temples. Baswantagudi is full of parks and temples only. It is close to very big park. Okay, guys. So, any doubt, anyone? Anything would? Ankit, recording. I'll tell you the link. I'll upload it later on. But where you can find, I'll send you the that. So, I'll upload it in some time. I'll upload it. CA yesterday, the same place where I gave you the link of yesterday. So in CA Foundation playlist, CA, CA Foundation. Here you find. Okay, so here you will find the link. I have to upload it after the class gets on ends. I'll upload it. For you, Ankit, only I started doing recording. So because yesterday you were asking, so yesterday I have not done the recording. That's why today I did the recording. I hope you understood this. Anyone have any doubt? Anything before I end the today class? Any information when your classes are starting? Okay. Okay, guys. Then I'll end the today class. So see you then tomorrow. I hope you have understood what all we have done in today class. Okay, okay. Okay, Aman. Okay, everyone. Thank you, everyone. Take care. Thank you, Aman, Ankit, Arpita, Charan, Dikpa, Manish, Nirupam, Pawan, Pooja, Sujan. Thank you, everyone. See you, everyone, tomorrow, Supreet. Thank you, everyone, tomorrow for the class. God bless you. Take care. Take care, everyone. We'll meet very soon. Take care, everyone. Are Pooja, you are good only. What some you, whatever some I'll give, you do only. I'll give to madam. I'll send to Madam Pooja. I'll tell her to give to you because by this time everyone left. So now that will be lost to those people who did not get. Okay, everyone. See you, everyone. See you, everyone, tomorrow.